Hi, it's Brian with 2020 Plumbing and Heating once again. I got a couple quick tips for you if your AC unit's not working. A couple things you as a homeowner can check to see and make sure that these things are working before you go ahead and try to schedule one of our technicians to come out. The first thing we're going to go ahead and show you is your disconnect. We need to make sure, most disconnects are a little bit different, but we need to make sure the disconnect is in the on position, as you can see right there. The second thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and make sure your condensing unit is running right here. One quick way to check is just come up to the fan, make sure the fan is spinning. And then the third thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and make sure that your breakers are in the on position, which we'll go ahead and check up at the front here in a second. Okay, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and go out to your main breaker panel, making sure none of your breakers are tripped. Sometimes during power fluctuations or we have some electrical storms coming in, it could trip your breakers while you're using your AC. So there's two breakers you need to check and make sure they're not tripped. The first one is going to be marked AC, and when they're tripped, they're usually in the midway position. What you need to go ahead and do is turn it off and back on, and that resets the breaker. The other breaker you can check is usually marked forced air unit. Make sure that that turns off and back on, and that resets your breakers. The last thing you can do as far as checking and making sure your system is operating properly is checking and making sure that your filter is not dirty and you have replaced it. Those are homeowner responsibilities. We thank you for watching and have a good day.